Welcome to Puerto Princesa and spend a day of adventure and join this experience from Sabang X Zipline. Enjoy 800 meters of adrenaline as you fly over the pristine blue waters of Sabang Beach, drop by any time of the day. Whichever will suit your schedule best. No need to worry about your safety as all the necessary gear you'll need will be provided. For 600 pesos entrance fee you will enjoy the longest zipline in the Philippines. This is a beautiful zipline. Quick, affordable and spectacular. The path is a little difficult from Sabang Beach, but it's worth it. Walk along the beach to the end, then follow the signs or ask the people there. We walked with Crocs and it went well. There are places to sit uphill to rest. After 20 minutes we were at the top. Indescribable view, very helpful and friendly staff. You float slowly over the blue sea to a hut on a headland. You don't need to be afraid at all. An indescribably great feeling and experience. It was 1.5 minutes over water and rocks. At the start, which was enjoyable. Once on the water you feel good as you will survive if the line breaks. Good fun. It's an amazing experience because you will go above the blue ocean. You can capture video or photo during zipline, because it's not too fast. Be sure to bring water shoes or some shoes that can get wet just in case. The trip includes a hike up the side of a small mountain. Those with limited mobility or who can't really hike may want to reconsider because it can get a little steep. The view from the top is spectacular, and the zipline itself is amazing.
Picture tayo sir. Welcome to Puerto.